Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And we from Group 8 will present our material. And our material is Computer Assisted Language Learning or CALL. The member of our group is Anggun Kirani and me, Mira Marlina, and Adia Auranti Hadijah. um, innovative learning models in ELT, Computer Assisted Language Learning or CALL. The field of English language teaching or ELT has been significantly transformed by the integration of technology. Among the most influential approaches is computer assisted language learning or CALL, which refers to the use of computers, digital tools, and online platforms to enhance the teaching and learning of languages. CALL is considered an innovative learning model because it changes not only how students access materials, but also how they interact with language teachers and peers. It represents the shift from traditional textbook-based um, learning to a dynamic, interactive, and technology-driven process that prepares learners for communication in today's digital and globalized world. Alright, the next material present by Adia. Time is yours.
So the principle of CALL in ELT include accessibility, individualization, motivation, and communicative focus. So first, accessibility means students can learn anytime and anywhere, and learning is not only in the classroom but also through online platforms, application, or website, and doing at home or on the go. And the second, its individualization allows learning to be adapted students' style and pace. Students can repeat listen, choose their own level, and get instant feedback, so learning becomes more personal. And the third, it is motivation. Motivation comes from the use of technology, which makes learning more fun and engaging. For example, students can learn through games, videos, and interactive activities. And lastly is communicative focus encourage real-life communication. Students can interact with others through chat, video calls, or online discussion, which helps them use English in real situations. So therefore, learning becomes flexible, personal, fun, and meaningful. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Adia. And now the next material will explained by Anggun. Anggun, times is yours.
Okay, now let's move on to the next part, which is about the advantages and challenges of CALL. In this section, I will explain both the benefits and the difficulties that teachers and learners may face when using technology in English language learning. Okay, the first advantage is wider exposure to English. Technology gives learner access to limited English resources such as videos, songs, articles, and podcast. This content exposure helps students improve their listening skills, expand their vocabulary, and even understand different cultures better. So, students are not only learning English but also expressing in real context. And second advantage is interactive practice. CALL makes learning more fun and engaging. For example, learners can use apps to practice pronouns, play grammar games, or even chat with AI chatbots to simulate real conversation. Okay, the third advantage is support blended learning. It combines online learning with face-to-face instruction. For example, teacher can give digital homework or online projects that and then use classroom time for discussion and speaking practice. Now, this balance makes learning more flexible and effective. Okay, next let's look at some of the challenges of CALL. The first challenge is limited access to technology. Um, Not all students have good internet or personal device. Now, this creates what we call a digital divide, which can make learning opportunities unequal. Now, the second challenge is teachers training and readiness. Now, CALL will only work well if teachers know how to use the technology. Some teachers may lack training or confidence, so professional development is really important to help them adapt. Okay, the last challenge is the risk of distraction. Technology can be helpful, but it can also be distracting. Sometimes students open social media or watch unrelated videos instead of studying. That's why teachers and learners must learn how to manage time and stay focused when using digital tools. So, uh, it's all from me. I hand it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Anggun. And for the conclusion is CALL is an innovative learning model that combines language teaching with technology. It offers flexibility, motivation, and interactive practice, but also requires preparation from teachers and access to technology. By using CALL effectively, learners are better prepared for global communication in the digital era. And that's all our material. Now we will move on to the Q&A session. You guys have any question?
Excuse moderator.
Yes, Vidya, please.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, moderator. So I have question. My name is Vidya. My question is, how can we ensure that the use of culturally improved students' communication skills, not just their ability to use technology? Okay, thank you, moderator.
Okay, thank you, Vidya, for the question. Any question?
Excuse me, moderator. I have a question for Group A.
Okay, please.
Thank you for the opportunity. So I am Rahimudina Devi from Group 5. And my question is, how does CALL support the development of the four language skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing. That's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Rahel. And give me 2 minutes for answer the question.
Okay, now my friends Adia will answer the question from Widya. Adia, could you please answer the question?
Yes, thank you, moderator. So, my name is Adia Auranti Hadija, and I will answer the question from with. So, the question is, how can we ensure that the use of CALL truly improves students' communication skills, not just their ability to use technology? So, to make sure CALL really improves students' communication skill and not just their ability to use technology, we need to focus on a meaningful interaction. First one is teachers should design activities that require students to communicate, not just click or type. For example, using online discussion forum, video calls, or language exchange application to practice speaking and writing with real people. Second, CALL should be combined with clear language learning goals. Technology is only a tool. The main focus must still be on developing students' listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. And the third is teachers should guide and monitor students' use of technology to make sure they are practicing language, not just playing with the tools. So by doing this, CALL becomes a bridge to real communication, not just a digital skills. So that's all from me. Uh, Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Adia. And for Widya, are you happy with the answer?
Yes, I'm happy with the answer. Thank you for the answer.
All right, thank you. And for the next question, we'll answer by Anggun. Anggun, times is yours.
I will answer the question from Rahel. How does CALL support the development of the four language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing? Okay. CALL, computer assist language learning, supports the development of the four language skills by providing interactive and varied digital tools that make learning more engaging. Um, for listening, learners can access authentic audios materials such as podcasts, videos, or online dialogues to improve comprehension. And then for speaking, CALL offers speech recognition software, pronounced apps, and chatbots to allow students to practice real-time communication. And then in reading, learners can explore online articles, ebooks, and comprehension exercises that expand vocabulary and reading strategies. Meanwhile, for writing, CALL provides grammar checkers, online feedback tools, and collaborative writing platforms that help students improve accuracy and coherence. Together, CALL integrates these four skills in meaningful and practical ways, enhancing learners' overall English proficiency. Okay, that's all for me. I hand it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Anggun. And for Rahel, are you happy with the answer? Yes, I'm happy with the answer. Thank you. Thank you. That's all our presentation today. Uh, I'm really sorry if there are any mistake, and I end it with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.